Hi, I'm Rob Cosman. Welcome to my new classroom. If you have ever considered learning how to cut dovetails like this, and you're ready to try, we have something for you. July 6th, which is a Saturday, 2019, we are going to offer our first one-day hand-cut dovetail workshop in our new classroom. The workshop starts at 9 in the morning and runs until 6 in the evening. And we're not only going to provide you with just your lunch, but you've got a great bench to work at, and we're going to supply all the tools. And they're the same tools that we use ourselves. My saw, my mallet, good chisels, marking gauge, the whole bit. So I'll give you a quick tour. There's 12 benches, extremely well lit. We've got a nice big monitor on the wall with an overhead camera so that you can see things up close. It's air conditioned, so it'll be nice and cool. Got anti-fatigue mats on the floor so that you're not standing on hard concrete all day. We use Schoberg vices, which hold the workpiece nice and firmly. The benches are our MDF plywood bench, which provides a good, solid, excellent bench to work off of. Now, in case you're curious as to whether or not you can cut a dovetail, let me show you what our average student does. All of these dovetail joints on the tool trays were done by students in our last two classes. And with the exception of maybe one or two, all of these would have been first-time dovetails cut by the individual in that one-day class. So it's possible. In fact, our average is, if we have 12 people in the class, we're going to see anywhere from 8 to 10 near-perfect dovetails at the end of the day. If you want to do it, it's here for you. If you want to sign up, just email us, rob@RobCosman.com. The address of our shop is 275 River Valley Drive. That's in Grand Bay, New Brunswick. We're about an hour from the main New Brunswick border. If you're close enough to drive, it's going to be well worth it. Promise you, it'll be the best class you've ever had on learning how to cut dovetails. See you.